COVID or not, if you're above 50, it is likely that the pandemic has had an impact on your brain. According to a UK study, the pandemic has caused sustained harm to the brain health of people aged 50 and above, rapidly speeding up cognitive decline, regardless of whether or not they had caught the coronavirus.
According to the World Health Organization, almost 780 million people were afflicted with the coronavirus. Health experts are now learning more about the indirect effects of the biggest public health crisis in a century. The study says cognitive function and working memory among the older adults declined more rapidly during the first year of the pandemic, and that is even if they were not infected with the virus. According to Professor Anne Corbett, research findings suggest that lockdowns and other restrictions imposed during the pandemic had a real, lasting impact on the brain health in people aged 50 or over, even after the lockdowns ended. But first, let us understand what is cognitive decline. As one ages, the sharpness of thinking skills and the ability to communicate reduces. Cognitive decline is the gradual loss of thinking abilities such as learning, remembering, paying attention, and reasoning. A small amount of cognitive decline occurs with age, but more significant changes can be seen in case of injury, illness, and impaired health habitats. Now, according to the study published in The Lancet Healthy Longevity Journal, cognitive decline has accelerated by a number of factors since the arrival of COVID. These include an increase in loneliness and depression, reduction in exercise, and higher alcohol consumption. The researchers analyzed the brain function tests of 3,000 people who took part in the study. The people assessed from 2019 to 2020 were all aged between 50 and 90 and based in the UK. The tests analyzed short-term memory of the participants and their ability to complete complex tasks. Results were analyzed from the pandemic's first and second years. The analysis shows that cognitive decline quickened in the first year of the pandemic. It was higher among those who already showed signs of mild cognitive before the COVID-19 outbreak. The report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.